Huh? I made a shot again because I just want to show the buildings here. You see, it's just the same as the Philippines. Almost the same as the Philippines. Buildings are almost the same. See, like this, truck like this, Philippine style. Oh, maka lang na dito, tumatakbo sa Pasay. Ano? Thailand. Jumping. Diba? Kala nyo we will take more exciting videos maybe when the training goes through and some beautiful areas in Pattaya. Okay. See, like Philippines. Scenery is like Philippines. Mga Dayami, San Miguel, Puno, Philippines na Philippines. Yan, no? Masyadong concentrated ang aming driver. Hindi siya masyado marunong mag-English. See? Okay. Sige, babay na muna ulit. Wala naman yung magandang mangyayari pa. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.